Alright folks, we're just out the supermarket. Well, supermarket, there's a mall with a supermarket in it. I'll show you. There's like a Denner's and a Migros. And down there's a hotel, an apartment hotel. It's really handy. So, if you're staying at the Appart'City Hotel, this is how far away it is for the mall. We just went and bought a few last minute stuff, wee bits of chocolates and stuff. The obligatory Toblerone. Thought I was getting a bargain there. It says 22 Swiss francs, but she got mixed up. It was something like 88. Yes, we bought a lot of stuff. So we're in an apartment, so we thought we'll take advantage of it. It's got a kitchen, so we'll get lunch and dinner. We'll get some bread. We'll make wee sandwiches for tomorrow for the flight. So that's quite handy. What do you think, honey? Is it quite handy? It's not bad. It's not bad for the wheelchair here. There's a kind of cycle path. So you looked in there. There's the Migros, and it's not far. So I think we've still got a wee bit to go, but it's really not far. So very handy. I don't think there's much in the way of things to do in this area, but it's just the location towards the airport is really good. Is that?
Yeah, no problem.
Aye, but Jacqueline's just saying there is a pub, so that's quite handy.
Okay.
Aye, you just need to get in them, honey. There's bin lorries here, but we can get back. Parking, thanks. Pardon the language, I shouldn't have sworn that. Don't know if I'll get flagged up on YouTube or what, I don't know. Apologies, I try not to. I'm not one of these people that swear just for every second word or whatever. I swear for effect, don't I, honey? I'm saying I swear for effect. Aye. Just for effect. It's funnier if you really swear when you actually do swear. It's a really hot day, isn't it? It's really hot, isn't it? It's a really hot day, and it's stormy back in Scotland. Glasgow Airport's cancelled some of the routes. Well, they did the other day. I don't know. I don't know if it's still cancelled, but we'll wait and see. Well, we're going to Edinburgh, so it's alright. So I think it's actually right down, see past the motorbike, I think it's just kind of past there. It's where the hotel is. It's quite a busy wee area. A lot of traffic. The view for the hotel, that's really nice. It's a nice day, but I'll get my bag of shopping here. There's no alcohol in it. The Migros that we were in, they didn't have alcohol, but with a big bag I thought I'll get something in Geneva when we go in. So I think what we'll do is we'll have lunch, go into Geneva, we'll do a few videos showing you that. It's one of the most expensive cities in the world. Kevin from Scotsman and Tenerife did it the other week there, and he says it's a fortune. We won't really be going into pubs or anything like that. I don't think I can envision us going into any pubs, maybe one or two, but just happy. We're only here for a day, so I don't want to waste it sitting in a bar somewhere. But we'll come back to Vernier tonight and maybe have a couple of drinks, see what it's like. Plus a day like this, who wants to be drinking, you know? And there's a Lidl there. Oh, wait a minute, sorry. There's a Lidl down there, just in the distance a wee bit. It's not far. Just waiting for this truck to go by. This bag's getting heavy. Like I say, the bus system seems really good. It's kind of almost like a tram. I think that's the way of the future. There's a wee kind of tea room there. That's it. We're almost there. But there you can see it. I don't know if you can see it in the distance. I can't quite see with the light. The Migros is right at the end. You can see a wee orange sign, the two M's. Down here's the Lidl. Oh, I could get mine there. I'm just thinking. Nah, I'll not do that. I might get some wine for some people. Some people are really special to me, who I really like and used to work with. And I read that Swiss wine is, I don't know if it's hard to get, but the Swiss mostly drink their wine, so I don't think there's a lot of it going about the world. So I thought I'd make it a point to get some nice Swiss wine. Don't worry, I'm not going to go to Lidl for your wine. I just clicked what it says and I says, oh, no, you're not going to get in at Lidl. I have to get a few bottles, but I find a nice wine shop. There was one in Vevey that was quite nice, but I didn't want to have to carry all that weight all the way to Geneva, so we'll go into town and we'll see. And if you're watching, don't worry, it'll be good stuff, okay? And if you've seen this, you'd have had it by now, so I hope you enjoyed it. And the chocolates. And there's the Appart'City Hotel down there. So, see, it's quite handy. It's a nice wee hotel. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. Please like, subscribe and share. It really helped me out. Thank you. Bye bye.